Hello everyone, hope you have an amazing day and welcome to my new blog. Today our topic is rural marketing strategies in India, product pricing, place and promotion. So in this article we will discuss about the rural marketing strategies adopted in India, learn about product pricing and place, that is distribution, promotion also. Rural marketing strategies in India, in simple terms, a product is anything that satisfies human want, that is customer, and includes product quality, features, benefits, design, style, color, brand, services, and warranties also. Product is something like the heart in the human body, and product is the most important element of marketing mix. So the product strategies used by companies in rural markets. Now I discuss in details. Product strategies to start a products. First of all, most of the rural customer believe that heavier the item, higher the power and durability. Example, bullet motorcycles continues to be popular in village due to its ruggedness, and Bullet Royal Enfield sells about 65% of the two-wheelers in semi-urban or rural areas. Ambassador car continues to be popular in rural areas due to sturdiness and rumors and rear seats and luggage space also. Now product strategies, designing products, the companies can come out with new products or promote existing products to suit field conditions in rural areas. Example, LG Electronics came out with a unique product for a rural market. It launched Sampurna India's fast TV with a Devanagari script on the screen display. The word Sampurna means wholesome cars across urban, across all linguistic barrier in our country. It is affordable and aimed at semi-urban and rural areas also. It can withstand power fluctuations and has sold over 1 lakh 20 inches TV in towns with a populations of over 10,000, and Godrej has introduced a refrigerator and for rural areas, and Chota cake in 200 millimeter packing price at rupees 5 has increased the rural sales, and Coca-Cola the rural in rural market. So now product strategies, small unit packing have been used for many consumers products. Example, Tiger brand biscuits is available at rupee 1 for a packet of 4 biscuits. Pond's has gained market share over the past few years by focusing on rural market, and it's introduced 20 grams talcum powder. And Kevin Care studies rural buyers' behavior and introduce chic shampoos in small sachets of 4 ml at low price of rupees 50 paisa. And Rasna is available in sachet packet or any other drinks prices at rupees 1 each, and one sachet will make 2 glass of soft drinks. So the product is available in variety of flavors such as mango, lemon, etc. Now product strategy, utility products. The rural peoples are concerned with the utility of the items rather than appearance. Shows examples, Philips has introduced free power radio price rupees 995 for the first time in India. The radio requires no external batteries or electricity for operations. 1 minute reading of the lever runs the radio for about 30 minutes. Now HMD watches are popular for the utility value. Product strategy, branding. Brand is a name, word, symbol, what you can say, and design or a picture or a combination of them used to identify the product and distinguish it. Form that of the competitions. A brand name not only represents the product but also convey the quality of the product in market. Now, examples, Tata Steel has branded its galvanized sheets as Tata Shakti, a sign of power. Similarly, the galvanized corrugated sheets produced by Ispat Industries has been named as Ispat Kavach. The brand name conveys strength, durability, and toughness, as you all know. Some of the brands have created a lasting impact on rural consumers are Billy Wally sales, everyday battery with cat as symbols, Lal Sabun, Boy, and Lakwara paint that is cut to Asian paints, mascot, Nirma girls, Nirma detergent or washing powder, Rishi Dabur Chyawanprash, Parle baby Parle biscuits, or and coconut trees, parachute oils, almond from Sanskrit or with word almoa meaning priceless, and pihari balm, jhandu balm, this desh ka namak Tata salt. So rural marketing strategy number 2, pricing. The price refers to exchange due to value of the products and includes a maximum retail price, discount, credits, terms of delivery, and maintenance charges. Also, rural retailer generally requires credit, and therefore product pricing has to be adjusted to meet their requirement. Now, the pricing strategy, low price. A rural customer is price sensitive mainly because of his relatively low level of income, and unit price of product will have an impact on sales. Pricing the product at a lower price really attracts the rural populations for trying the products, and though rural income have grown in the past decades, the money earned by the average rural consumers is still such lower than that of his urban counterparts. Now, a large part of the income is spent on the basis of the necessities, and leaving is a smaller portion of for other consumers goods. Examples: Bharat Petroleum has introduced 5 kg gas cylinders to reduce initial deposit and refill cost for rural consumers. The deposit for 5 kg cylinder is rupees 350 against rupees 700 for 14 kg cylinder, and refill cost rupees 90 against 250, and for 15 kg cylinders. Small unit packs of shampoos, hair oil, toothpaste, biscuits, bathing soaps, and price strategy right now. No fruits products, now frills products, the production's cost can be lowered by using less sophistications and rather concentrating on sturdiness and utility of the products. Example: the Maharaja Appliance Limited sells a sturdy bonus washing machines without a driver for rural market at rupees 2990. The rural markets operate on a price value proportions. NG Electronics has knocked off some of the frills in products, and the idea is to give features that are absolutely indispensable. The rural consumer does not require colonized features, and therefore base models do not have these features. Again, not all consumers need 200 channels, and therefore they have provided 100 channels in the base models. Every day, everybody may not require a sound output of 350 watts, and therefore they have given an output of 200 watt in base sets. The rural consumer is value conscious. He will buy the product that gives value for money. Now, pricing strategy, refill or reusable packaging. By giving refill packaging, marketers can add value to the pricing of the product. Example: Bonvita available in refill pack, and detergent made available in reusable packages. Now, price strategy and credit facilities. Success of or failure of crop depends upon climatic conditions. Favorable conditions give bumper yield, and unfavorable conditions results in very low yield, and therefore rural income is seasonable in nature. So, the farmer requires credit for meeting cultivations and expenses, as well as running the family between marketing of produce and the harvest of next crop. Now, he avail credit facilities from the village merchant for buying household necessities. The rural retailer in turn requires credit facilities from the distributors of consumers goods. Many companies extend credit to the village retailers to pursue them to stock the company's products and push it in the market. Now, decisions to expand credit is based on the volume of the business and credit worthiness of the retailers. Also, the credit period varies between 15 to 30 days in the case of fast moving consumer goods. Now, pricing strategy discounts. Discounts are offered to motivate the retailers to sell more of the company's products. A discount of about 10% is given on the maximum retail price is the case of fast moving consumer goods. Many companies offer attractive additional discounts also to motivate the retailers to the stock products during off seasons. Now, pricing strategy, promotional schemes also. Normally the farmers purchases consumer durable items after the harvest crops. Similarly, Diwali, Pongal, Onam, Dasera, Eid or Christmas are the festivals for buying household articles. So special promotions schemes such as new products introduction schemes, festive offers by way of the special discounts, exchange offers, that is taking back used consumers durable, are aggressively promoted during harvesting and festival season in rural areas for increasing sales of the product. Now, pricing strategy, value engineering. This is an internationally used technique which helps the organizations not only lower cost but enhance value to customers. The concept has been implemented by the new firm in tapping the rural market. Examples: Nirma detergent powder over a period of 10 years has become the largest selling brand in rural India. The success of Nirma is due to affordable price, medium quality available at village shop and use of rural specific mass India. Now, rural marketing strategy, place distributions, how to distribute the product. So place refers to distributions of the product and includes distributions channels, areas coverage, channels remunerations and warehousing, inventories, banking and transportations. Major obstacles to reach the rural consumers. Now we discuss about this. The distributions chain requires a large number of intermediaries and this increases the cost of distributions. Non-availability of the dealers, poor availability of retail outlets due to low business volumes, inadequate banking facilities. Interior village gate flooded during monsoons and only about 70% of the markets are connected by road and transport communications facilities are poor in village, as you all know. Now, penetrating interior markets. Many companies are marketing use of innovative as well as traditional channels to reach interior market. And a few examples are now I am giving right now. Satellite distributions. In this system, the company appoints stockists in important towns. These stockists are responsible for placing orders with the company. So, revising or receiving the stocks or sorting the stocks of supply the goods in small lots to the retailer and merchants situated in rural areas and far and in around the towns also. The stockist is given 15 to 30 days credit by the company over a period of time. Along with the increase in business, some of the goods retailers will be elevated as stockist. Therefore, many retailers hover around a particular stockist, and the advantage of this system is it enables the organizations to penetrate interior markets. Examples: companies like Nestle, Marico, Eveready Batteries have appointed stockists to service the village merchants and the merchant are meet at fortnightly, monthly intervals through van operations. Now, channel, the hub and the spokes methods. So, in these rural areas, Coca-Cola has developed hubs and spokes methods of the distributions. In these methods, the manufacturer in the area appoints main distributors, that is hub, is in important markets. These distributors in turn appoint sub-distributors, spokes, that is to handle smaller markets within the territory, and the sub-distributor supplies to the retailers and these retailers finally deliver it to the consumer. Now, syndicate distributions, companies selling non-computable goods can join together and distribute the products through a common distribution channels. Example: P&G, Procter and Gamble has made use of the distribution channels of Marico for selling their products. Now, Project Shakti HLL has become out with the new distribution models with main objectives to develop income creating capabilities of privilege rural women to providing a sustainable enterprise opportunity and to improve rural living standards through health and hygiene awareness. So typically a woman from a self-help group is related to a Shakti enterprise and receives stock Lifebuoy, Wheel, Pepsodent, Annapurna Salt, Clinic Plus, Ponds, Lux, Nihar, Three Rose Tea, etc. At her doorstep, and from the HLL rural distributors, she sells directly to consumers as well as to small merchants in the village. So that's for the video, my friends. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.